There's a specific kind of stillness you only find in the Utah Badlands. This week, we went beyond the pavement of Hanksville to explore a landscape shaped by nothing but erosion and time. From the first light hitting the ridgelines at Moonscape Overlook to those quiet, dark hours waiting for the Milky Way to clear from behind clouds, this group didn't just take photos, they studied the land. We chased the subtle textures of the Bentonite Hills and learned that sometimes the best shots come from the smallest changes in light, camera position, or focal length. This video has been a look at our journey through the sculpted Utah desert, and I want to thank you for watching the creative progress of our group. It was an incredible week of work.